Hi everybody. Today I have a special treat for you. We are going to talk about a way to capture great content for your social media channels. And the way that we're going to do that, and we're going to learn today, is how to use the selfie stick to capture content for your social media. So, as a special treat, I brought the one and only queen of selfie stick herself, Mary Foley.
Hey, glad to be here today. And I had no idea I was going to be the selfie stick queen before I started, but you can too. And I want to share with you the easy way to do that. First of all, you need to understand there are two main kinds of selfie sticks. This one is what I call the handle only. Why? Because it only has a handle, and it, of course, has an extension. You put your phone up here. The other kind, though, that's newer is, guess what? It's a tripod one.
Cool.
Does the same thing in that it's got an extension, but it collapses, and so it's really a dual. It's both a handle and a tripod.
It's my personal favorite.
I love it, love it. So, all of them are under 20 bucks. They're all on Amazon. They're your friend. And here's how the best thing to do is that when you have 2, 3, 4 people, the thing you've got to remember is, okay, first off, always make it horizontal. Put your phone in horizontal. That's what it's designed for. You get the most landscape. The second is that there was another reason. There's a second thing. I knew there's hold it up higher, okay, like this. And the reason is because we all look better when we're slightly up. We're all more thinner. We're all a little exactly. So you want to make everybody look good, including yourself. And then the third thing is tell people where to look. Sometimes the camera's on this side. Sometimes it's here. Sometimes people are just going to look straight into the screen. It's okay, but it's better when you tell people where to look. Now, when you only have 2 people like ourselves, maybe 3, 4 max, you go in tighter, smaller, and here's really the magic that I found, Shannon, is it's the timer on your camera. Every camera phone has a timer. Mine has 3 seconds or 10 seconds.
Yeah,
you probably just didn't notice the little icon on there. It usually looks like a stopwatch, but you click on that. If you only have a couple of people, 2, 3, 4, use the shorter version, the 3-second on my camera. What's great about that is everybody knows when the camera is going to go poof, takes the picture. If you've got more than that, I've had up to 20 people, and I use 20 with a selfie stick.
She is the queen.
I am the queen, but because I stretch out the thing really long, you can't see it here. I put it up higher. That'll get more people in it, and then I put the counter at 10 seconds, and then everybody does the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheese! And then, they think you're brilliant. But the great thing is that when you take the picture, that's the fun part, and then it's fun for people to see themselves online.
Absolutely.
So then I post it on Facebook, or I post it where I'm going to post it, and I tag, and now everybody's happy. And so out of that, it's just fun.
Yes.
And the big thing is you got to just bring it with you. You got to pull it out and have that couple of seconds where people go, "Oh, I'm feeling stupid." Everyone laughs, but everybody wants to be in the picture.
And you are the cool person with the selfie stick. So hopefully you guys learned some great tips today. Get a selfie stick, start using it.